allegiance to the flag. Yes. We need to stand
Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. Today is Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. And today I am live in Miss Concha's Pre-K3 classroom, and I have three friends, and their names are...
Take your name.
Ori, Ria, Anastasia.
If you could, please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join me as we say our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, here, Ori, here.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America and
to the republic
for which it stands, one nation,
under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
and now for the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state, under God, one
And indivisible. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please find a trusted adult, your coach, your nurse, your teacher, your counselor, your parents, or any other trusted adult, and let them know how you feel. We have two big happy birthdays in the house. Happy birthday to Kimberly G in kindergarten, and happy birthday to Ivan R in pre-K. All right, please listen up. We do have a couple of great announcements today. Today is National Lima Bean Respect Day. So lima beans are one of the most underappreciated beans in the repertoire of beans. So if you get a chance, go ahead and get you some lima beans. The big news is that today is our 3rd through 5th grade math district assessment, and this is for our students who are face-to-face. So it is a complete shutdown, so please make sure that you have looked at the list so that you know when your lunch is and what areas we're using. Please make sure that you practice all of the same protocol that we use when we have a complete shutdown. This week is National Public School Volunteer Week. It is also Administrative Professionals Week, and we ask that you continue to practice our safety protocols by wearing your mask over your nose, washing your hands for 20 seconds frequently, and that you practice the 6 feet rule. The character education theme for this month is self-discipline. Self-discipline is very important. How are you trying to practice self-discipline each day? All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope today you choose to make it a terrific Tuesday.